Okay, what I want to show now is with our bench planes, whether they have an adjuster or not, we can change the blade pitch or the cutting angle. So when it's beveled down, it'll be cutting like a plane. If we reverse the blade and make it bevel up, it will change the whole geometry to a vertical edge there, which is considered scraping. And the benefit of scraping is that you can eliminate tear out in really hard cranky timbers. Very, very useful part of this plane. So we'll just set up this as a plane first, so bevel down. Now I'm just planing a nice piece of softwood here. Beautiful shaving, beautiful smooth surface. No need to use it as a scraper. However, if we go to a piece of super hard timber, this is a piece of Cooktown ironwood, and I just run it over the jointer, and we're just getting just a little bit of micro tear out. Now it might plane okay, but the most likely scenario will be that it won't. So, and I would certainly try it as a plane, but my feeling is, having dealt with this timber before, I'll have to now take the blade out, turn it over so that it's bevel up. Same setup mode. So tap it in the middle. Now you can see it opens the mouth up, but that's not a problem when you're dealing with a scraper plane. Now it's personal preference, but I actually like to pull the plane when I'm scraping. Now, very, very fine shaving. So what I'm going to do is just tap the blade down a bit while it's on the wood. So I just pull it along just slowly, and I can feel it bite into that wood. Now it's a much more aggressive cut. And you can see it just takes a nice fine shaving off, but it's not tearing the timber, which is what I expected. And you can vary, when you're doing this sort of fine work with hardwood, you can vary the depth of cut by how hard you push down. So it shouldn't take much effort at all. You just skim it along the top of the wood so that you're getting like a 1, maybe even slightly bigger than a 1/1000 shaving. And that way you will eliminate tear out in this super hard reversing grain. Now, just looking at the tear out, you may see that different texture there, but if I just put a little bit of oil on there, it's not actually tear out, it's just the different texture from the change in grain direction. You can see that's a really nice finish, and that's the benefit of scraping.